Technicians are essential to the industries and communities they service. We know that a lot of our farming community are in remote and isolated areas, and they're a long way from a metro capital city. So we see our dealership channel and all of our technicians who are remotely located as a really key piece to us supporting the agricultural, construction and forestry sectors. We're looking for people that are really interested in agriculture or construction and have a passion for taking care of customers.
The most rewarding part for me is always watching the customer operate their machine after a successful day out.
The satisfaction of getting a machine going for a customer when they've got a big workload on and you can sort their problems out for them.
You know, I can apply my skills to keep them going, and that keeps me going, if that makes sense.
What it means to be a John Deere technician for me is about supporting our customers at the times they're most vulnerable. You are that person that can help get them back up and running. And whilst that can be quite challenging, that's also extremely rewarding.
Over the 26 years I've been a technician, I've worked for quite a few different manufacturers, and by far John Deere have the best technical backup.
I love my job because there's always something to learn. Like John Deere always bringing out something new.
Why John Deere? Why not John Deere? It's John Deere. Jump on board, have a go.
Yeah, give it a go. If you're interested in it, just start down the path and have a go. It's a really challenging, rewarding role.